April 16th is Advanced Care Planning Day, and we invite you all to join us across the country to begin the process of advanced care planning.
This is an important day to remind people to talk to family and friends about their wishes.
April 16th is Advanced Care Planning Day. Why not take the chance to start the conversation with your family, your friends, your substitute decision maker, anyone who you think can help you figuring out what's right for you and what your values and beliefs are.
Making decisions in healthcare is hard, and we really can't do that without knowing what's important to the person in front of us, what's important to them and their family. These things help guide all of us as we try to make the best decisions we can with people about their healthcare.
Oftentimes when our loved ones are in very stressful times, it's hard to think about what decisions we should make and make them in a way that honors their wishes.
I always say, hope for the best, plan for the worst, but do your planning so that you can put it away and not worry about it.